Hannah, and this is for my dog. As you already know, I live in a vegetable village, and so we're walking around a little bit today just to get some sunshine and some fresh air after the rain. That's a very lovely week because we found a very special guest in our house. The two little kittens and their mom, a little black cat, very cute. They just came to my couch and sleep there at night. It's kind of sad because I think they are white cats, and yeah, and she used to come every day, but then she disappeared for like 2 months something. And so I really I always wonder what happened to her. And then I realized that she came back with little kittens, so I just realized that she got pregnant and she gave birth. And so yeah, so we have 3 very cute cats. So sleepy. I don't know if you see that. Yeah, he actually broke into my house another day. I was so worried because I don't know who he is, and I thought he gonna do something, but then he just told me that I had to lock the door and give me the lock, and I was like, okay. So it said this we're gonna go to the Drag Race Stonewall, and I actually never been there. Oh my god, that's a big dog. I don't even know if I should walk both through there. He looked like he ready to attack. But then he has a leash. But then Bird's walking back or not. Seems like he doesn't really care, so let him go first. I don't know, I don't want to risk. Oh, that just wagged the tail. What was that? They both have some friends here. You want to go visit them? I go all the way from there straight here, and then they said go to the stone. So like this one, I don't even know if I should go straight this way or should come back to the way that I just got out of. since we found the well already, so we decided to walk back to where the river is. Such a lovely day. So since I moved here, it's kind of like a small village, and it's a little bit different from big city where actually neighbors don't really know each other. But here, if they open the door, that means you are free to welcome to come visit. I still feel quite weird sometimes when someone tries to break into the house and talk something with me, but I'm getting used to that. What's beautiful about this town is you can easily find some gate with a lot of flowers like this, almost like every house. People here just love flowers and plants. Since it's weekend, so many people just stay home and the men gather to do some afternoon tea and sometimes beer or drink. Hey buddy! Hey! Hello! It's like fire. So the forecast said that it's gonna rain for the whole day today. But then luckily it just stopped raining since 10 a.m. this morning. Actually the whole morning it wasn't raining. It's beautiful. I'm planning to do it tomorrow again. I hope it's not raining. When you live in Vietnam, especially in small town, the weather forecast is not your friend. So you really have to just look at the weather and always prepare for yourself. It's really nice actually, because when you expect the rain and then it wasn't rain, you feel like, oh, I feel so happier. And I'm so happy that it's not raining. I have more time outdoors because it really boosts the mood up. Every time I feel like have to stay home for so long, I would feel a little bit like I need to get out of the house. Oh my god, look at that dog. Okay, he tried to get down. I don't know why, for some reason. What are you doing, bird? He hates water. For sure he hates water. I just don't know why he's just interested to going down there. Let's see if he try one more time. Oh, not anymore. It's like, Mom, I'm not crazy. They call it the water buffalo. I don't know why the buffalo doesn't come properly. They're scared or something. Probably not. That's really cute. First, this Hello, hello, little buffalo. Hello, little buffalo. Hey, you're so cute. I think he's the smartest one because he wants to look at me and come. Hello. Oh, this is a kiddo that's really playful. You know, just follow. We were at the beach shooting a video another day, and there was a dog just came, tried to play with Bo at first, and then somehow Bo didn't really show any interest, so he just ran back to me, and that dog just followed, and then they start to like, I don't know, I think that dog is really playful and cute, and I think is really super passionate, so I just stopped and tried to pet him a little bit. And 5, 4, we'll just make a new friend. Oh, 3, 2, oh my god. And last one. Oh, okay, easy guys. Oh my god. But then he started to bark a lot, like he just decided to stay on my mat and barked there for probably 15-20 minutes. So I was like, I'm in the middle of recording and the sun was going down so quick. I had to finish a video that day, so I cannot really like play with him. So I talked to the cafe owner and she said she knows the parent, so I just gave them my leash and put the dog in because the dog came without leash. So she said that she's gonna try to call him and ask him to come here to pick the dog up. So I came to check on the dog after I complete the shooting as soon as possible, but it was quite dark, so the dog wasn't there anymore and the people wasn't there anymore, so I was quite worried because I'm not sure, like I don't really know the people, and somehow in a moment I feel like what if they're not a good people. You know, I don't know, but then I feel like the dog tried to tell me something, but then I wasn't care enough to really like, you know, help him, so I felt really bad. But then the next day I came to the same place and shoot another video, and when I got back the woman just came to meet me, give back the leash and said thank you. Turned out the dog belong to family live close by, and somehow the dog just lost the way to go home, so she just brought him back and then give me back the leash. And I came there and he was there, so it was a happy story at the end. So I just told myself, okay, next time I would help the dog if there is any dog come to me like that. I'm gonna wrap up for the vlog today, and I hope that you enjoy it. I'm gonna do a Q&A next week, so if you have any question for me, just comment below and let me know. I'm gonna try to answer it all. And see you tomorrow for the workout.